So I'm Emmanuel Adjei Ahene, a second-year electrical engineering student at Kwame University of Science and Technology, and I'm interning at Dronehub Africa. My experience at Dronehub Africa has been very rewarding. I had the opportunity to work in a collaborative environment with experts who were very passionate about the drone technology. They helped me to learn quickly and adapt to this industry. They also gave me hands-on experience and technical planning skills behind the scenes. This has been my first experience here, and it has really been eye-opening to many complexities of this industry. Working with these technical aspects, I was mostly given repair tasks, which taught me a lot about the architecture of drone design. One project which I was involved in and loved really much was the setting up and the deployment of the DJI Dock 2 for autonomous mapping of a test area. During my time at Dronehub, I developed proficiency in drone piloting, troubleshooting and repair of drones. I also got the understanding of how drones are used in some industrial applications. My advice to future interns is to come in with an open mind and be ready to learn fast, as Dronehub is a place that values innovation. So don't be afraid to ask questions or suggest new ideas. Don't familiarize yourself with just flying drones, but also the software being used. Be proactive in giving feedback and also try to build strong problem-solving skills, which will be very crucial in this fast-paced environment.